Hey YouTube, it's Cookies, my show Cookies for Today, and I'm coming at you with another video about something serious and something that should never be forgotten, and that is called the Trayvon Martin case, but specifically I really want to talk about the Stand Your Ground law. Now, this law is not only in the state of Florida, it's in other states too. Now, I really need to say this. First of all, I'm not Muslim. Just to take that mind off yourself. I'm not Muslim. I just feel like wearing a head wrap today. Don't it look nice? Thank you. Anyway, the Trayvon Martin case, and for it to still have a standard your ground law, I don't understand. First of all, I really don't understand this. Why are we making a federal case out of this? Like, why are they making it so difficult? Florida is really making it difficult to do this, and you know why? They're kind of a Republican state, so I'm just letting y'all know. You know, if it was a Democrat state, we would have been torched that law. Like, it would have been appealed by now. But, being that its governors are kind of Republican and whatever, what can you do? So, or at least were Republican, because that was George Bush's cousin. He was the governor of that state, so I still think that they got people over there and whatever. But other than that, I need to talk about the Stand Your Ground law. First of all, for people to think this law is great and fantastic, it's not. It really is not. Why? Because you can hurt innocent people like a Trayvon Martin. And if we do not stand together and really take this law down, it's going to be another Trayvon Martin really soon, because this law is in other states as well. And I can just see it right now. It's going to be another Trayvon Martin soon if we do not stop this right now. Now, I heard that as of today, there are people protesting in New York and in Florida, but that's just only in New York and Florida. We need other people in other states, especially the states that have this law. Like, these are the states that have this law, specifically. Texas, Oklahoma, and Utah. Those are the people that really have those laws. Like, they have the same law that Florida have. The states that have a law somewhat like that, but they kind of curved it and whatever, is Indiana, Georgia, Washington, West Virginia, and I heard Mississippi and other states like that, they have a law somewhat like that. I really just don't think that law should exist. I really don't. I think because innocent people can get hurt. I mean, I understand you have to stand your ground. I understand self-defense. And I'm sure some of those other laws have, okay, you have the right to self-defense and whatever. But not to stand your ground. Not to do it in any type of way like that. Especially like that. I don't want that law to be around. I want people to start signing letters of reform and stuff. I'm sure people already are. But I really want other people that have videos like this as well to really appeal the Stand Your Ground law. And I've been searching on the internet. I'm trying to see where are there appeals or where are there letters that we can sign up to appeal this law, and I don't see anything yet. So I don't know. The best thing to do is just to write to the State Department of Justice. There's no other way to really do it as of right now because nobody's even came up with it yet. So that's why I want to really be one of the first to talk about it and to really try and get people to sign appeals or something like that. There's also ways that you can email person showing that you're in a gated community wearing a hood, so you can show that I'm in the hood, I'm not being shot. So why did Trayvon Martin had to be in a gated community and he got shot? First of all, let me talk about gated community, because this ain't no Dade County, Florida. This is not the hood. This is a gated community, a suburban gated community, meaning the place looks nice. Now, I'm talking about the hood. We don't have these laws. I'm talking about Southeast, Oakland and California. I'm talking about, there's so many hoods, you guys. Bankhead, like I said, Dade County in Florida, like Carroll City, specifically, those are hoods. We don't have these laws. Landover is kind of a hood as well in Maryland. We don't have these laws. We don't live in fear. America, you cannot live in fear. What happened to the land of the free, the home of the brave? Now we look like some weak sauce. We look weak. If we would make this guy, whatever his name is, still walk on this earth today and having the same gun privileges, we live in fear. We live because we're scared of what may happen next. And I'm not saying that you're not supposed to be defensive of yourself. I'm just saying you can't live like that. Because if you live like that, you're just going to hurt those around you for no reason. And he's a perfect example of that. He really is. Like I said, this is not a hood community. It's a gated community, a gated suburban community. Probably small, gates all around the places. So I'm sure nothing really happened recently. If it have, then I'm sure it's nothing like this. I'm sure people haven't even heard gunshots in their community before. This is probably the first time that they heard a gunshot in that community. But Southeast hear gunshots every day. South Jamaica, Queens hear gunshots all the time. It's like, we don't have these laws. We don't live in fear. We're still living our normal daily lives. Of course, people don't want to live in those hoods anymore. But at the same time, you got to do what you got to do. Can't live in fear. You got to live your life. So I really don't want this law to be around anymore, guys. I'm really trying to make people protest against this law. It should not be just in New York and in Florida. It should be especially the laws, the states that have these laws still today. All of them should appeal those laws. Now, should they have self-defense laws? Absolutely, but not no stand your ground law, because that's going too far. It's just really, it's not something that I would do at all, guys. So, live your life. Do not live like you're going to get shot the next day. And we have to take this guy down, and we have to take this law down. So that's why I'm coming up to you with this video, and I hope this can reach everybody. It's not specifically for the Trayvon Martin case, because I understand people are doing what they can for that case alone. But we need to do what we can for this law as well. This law needs to be taken down now. And if I want more videos like this to come about, I want people to respond, to post messages. I'm going to try and put as much links as possible to see if you can try and connect to these people who are trying to start a movement here. And that's my cookies for today. Be safe, you guys. We're in the land of the free and the home of the brave, so why don't we act like it for once? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.